Look at this color, guys. Wow. Insane. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where I'm here at Maserati Alfa Romeo of Daytona Beach in the service bay. It's a little rainy outside, but I wanted to show off something very special that just came in. Now, we have this behind me, a 2022 Maserati Levante Modena S. Now, that is, yes, the V8 Modena S. This replaces the GTS for the 2022 model year. But I know we've seen a Modena S on the channel before. You have not seen one in the Fuoriserie Blu Denim color behind me. Yes, the custom Fuoriserie Maserati Ad Persona paint program, or customization program, shall I say, right on this car behind us. I have to show this off to you guys because you have to see this up close and personal. Beautiful spec with the Nerissimo package to black everything out. I mean, wow, I have no words for how good this looks. So with that said, let's show you guys the spec, let's show you guys the price, and let's go all into detail about this V8 Maserati Levante. If you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe, it helps grow the channel, and I get more opportunities to get more beautiful Levantes out to you guys like this one behind me. Make sure you guys contact Hurd if you want to get into a beautiful Maserati Levante like this one, because he is the one who hooks me up with all these cars as soon as they come in. So with that said, make sure you check him out and let's get to it. Okay guys, now check this out. Not only does this have the Fuoriserie paint job on it, but it also has just under $15,000 worth of options on this V8 Modena S. So with that said, you guys probably want to see the paint first. Let's get up close to it. Now I'm gonna do two different things for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys with these lights over the top of it. I'm going to show you what the paint looks like, and then we're going to turn it off without the lights beaming on it so you will not see it with the glare. So now that you've got some contrast looks between the lights on and lights off in a couple different angles, what do you guys think about this paint job? Wow. Now, with that said, you know, we're gawking over the paint, but we do have some nice options on this car. I did say we do have the Nerissimo package, so that's going to do a couple of things to make it even more appealing. Let's start from the rear here. Let's change it up. All right, so the taillights, the boomerang tails are done and now more of a smoked look, and the Maserati insignia is done in a smoked look because of the Nerissimo package, all right? It blacks out everything else, but it doesn't black these out, it just smokes them. Same with the Levante badge there. Now you do have the black exhaust tips from the Nerissimo package here, all right? And you do have dual on each side. You do have the actual functional vents there, the honeycomb vents, that actually breathable air there. And you do have the rear diffuser done in that blue denim as well to match with the rest of the car. Now, that Nerissimo package carried over. Well, let's talk about this Trident and black on this blue. Looks so good, right? I love this look. It's insane. With the blacked out window moldings here, all right, the color match spoiler, the panoramic roof done in black. You also have your body color door handles here as well. All right, your side skirts and wheel wells, all body matched in blue denim. Now, when you come up front, you will see the blacked out mirror caps. You will see that Modena S badge, which means we do have the V8 version, all right, of this Maserati Levante. You will see the portholes, classic Maserati portholes there, and then you will see the glossy black 21-inch Anteo wheels. Now, this is matched up with the monochrome center cap, the black calipers with white script, and the drilled Brembo brake rotors with the Pirelli P0 tires. This looks really good. This whole setup is just so perfect together. Now, let's talk about that front fascia, right? Full matrix LED headlamps. All right, you get that on the Modena S version. You will see the nice gloss black surround on those fog lamps. You will see the big side blades done in gloss black as well. You have the functional venting here for the front grille. You will see the body match front lip in blue denim with the rest of the vehicle here as well. Big trident in the middle because level 2 ADAS is on this model, and you will have the big vertical slats with the center feed through. You don't normally have those on regular Maserati models besides the Modena S and the Trofeo models, all right? So extra breathable vents here for this model. And then we cannot forget the classic, well, not classic yet, the 2022 version of the Maserati emblem. The insignia here done in blue and white instead of red, chrome, and blue. And this looks even better with this blue tone against the blue denim. I think that that contrast is one that you never are going to get unless you get something like this. And I think that that just tops it off. Again, cherry on top. So again, looking at this and looking at this spec, what do you guys think? Just wow, incredible. Now under the hood, we have a big boy toy, this 3.8 liter V8 that pumps out 550 horsepower, and it's gonna take you to 0 from 60 in 4 seconds flat with a 181 mile per hour top speed. Again, we've seen this V8 for a little while now in the GTS version of the Levante and Quattroportes. So again, this is the middleman from going from the V6 to the V8 here, and then the V8 Trofeo that pumps out 580 horsepower. So with that said, this is a good, just kind of in-between model that, you don't want to go for the biggest thing, but you still want to have some power out of a Maserati V8. You're not getting into this Modena S because you want great gas, but 16, 13, 20, 16 combined city and highway, 13 city, and 20 highway premium fuel, just to give you guys a kind of rundown on what you'll spend on fuel. Classic Maserati trunk lid here, or boot lid here, should I say. So in the back, you will see accessories. We do have an accessory package on here, which is $421. This is the carpets here. This is not part of the accessories there, but this cargo mat is, and it has the big trident right there. If you guys can see, we have a 60/40 rear folding split with the center feed through. Plenty of privacy here, all right? And if you guys know what I'm about to do, you've seen it on all the Maserati Levante videos. We're gonna pull that up. We're gonna pull up the red hook that there, all right, and then we have the false floor that's showing us here where you can add extra tools and storage. But if you go underneath, this is where all the business happens, all right. You have your spare jack, you have your tire there, you have your tools, you have your battery, everything is tucked underneath there, all right, and it's just easy to do with one hand. Very practical, very user-friendly. It's a very clean setup from Maserati, which you guys are used to in the Levante models. Now, before we go inside, you have to option out what you see here, soft closed doors in 2022. Since this has the comfort package or convenience package, you will see soft closed doors on this Modena S, which I really do enjoy. I'm glad that they still offer it. I'm sad that it's not standard. Now, inside, you're gonna keep it pretty chill when it comes to the color combo because you don't wanna mess up what this blue denim really represents. So we're going with black, but we also have the Grigio stitching to go along with it. So it's not just black all throughout. Natural drill leather seats, embossed logo there. All right, we have our perforated leather on the steering wheel, aluminum column mounted power shifters. All right, if I step inside, you guys will see a lot of things you're used to from Maserati, all right? So things like your metal trim there, all right, your aluminum trim, your Neo leather all throughout, that Grigio stitching contrast just gives it more depth. We do have the Harman Kardon sound system here as well. All right, the dash is done, all in that leather and the Grigio stitching. All right, you also have your classic Maserati clock. You have your Alcantara throughout the pillars and the headliner. Big panoramic roof. I mean, everything is just so beautiful in this car. So what you'll notice is on the Modena S, because it is a V8, you will see 230 on the dash there for the top speed. Obviously, the top speed here is 181, but it is there. So it is bragging rights to say that you have 230 on the dash, just like the Trofeo model. And right here by the speedo, you will see revs up to 7,000, and you do have that V8 badge there as well. We will hear it start up in just a moment. Now, with that said, again, a lot of classic stuff that you guys are used to from Maserati. Things that you guys all know about, so I won't go over it too in depth. If I were to, let's close the door and turn everything on. You'll see it does say Levante there. We will get our Maserati MIA system, which is one of the best infotainments in the game right now. Ask anybody who has dealt with this system. It is so flawless. It is so clean. I mean, I hate even touching the screen because of fingerprints. But again, I just have to kind of glance through here to show you guys how cool this thing looks. Now, with that said, this does have a lot of cool features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless, Hey Maserati, where you can, prompt this car to do different things for you, different apps and widgets, driver profiles. I mean, you can control the heated and cooled seats and the heated steering wheel from here, all kinds of stuff. Now, one that you want to probably, I guess, pay attention to is your driver assistance and stuff like that too. So you have all kinds of stuff here when you go to vehicle. You got apps. I mean, tons and tons and tons of stuff. All right, so we won't get too far into this, but with that said, make sure you guys check this out a little bit closer on my other videos where I go deeper into this. I do want to show you guys the surround view camera because it is a 360 view. All right, so you get the 360 real-time surround. All right, you have full back, full front, and then the front with the surround view. As you can see my tripod sitting there in front of the vehicle. But yeah, again, this is just a great system for the Levante. I mean, add it with this power, add it with the comfort, add it with the nice materials. This is a great place to be. And I will do a little pan up so you guys can see that panoramic roof, even though we are inside of the building here. You will see a lot of natural extra sunlight comes in here, and this beautiful interior lights it up. But again, you guys have seen all of this stuff before from the Levante, and the Levante didn't change up as much as the Ghibli or Quattroporte did when it came to the screen size or the charging, like wireless charging, USB-C and stuff like that. The Levante stayed the same, but they will be revamping the Levante pretty soon here. So with that said, I just wanted to show this off really quick for you guys because you know what it's about. It's about this exterior. And just to feed your curiosity, we'll do a quick look at the rear. All right, so same drill leather, same metal, high gloss metal trim, same all of the materials. All right, this is great looking in the rear just as well as the front. So you guys can see the bucket seats, the Grigio stitching, the perforated leather. You got back here extra charging there. All right, your HVAC vents. You can pull down your center and you got your cup holders. All the great stuff that you'll need in the back of this car, all the great luxury, all the great trims, everything good from Maserati. Now you guys can notice dual pane windows here as well. I don't know how well you can see that, but they're extra thick for a little bit of sound deadening for you guys. You guys can also notice that there is no hinge preset, so you can open these doors to wherever you would like, which just always is a great seller. Just in case a car parks too close to you, you can still get into your car freely, which I always loved about these cars. Again, it's practical, it's luxury, and it's Maserati. All right, so I wanted to show you guys what everything looked like with the lights turned out and all illumination on. So you can see these full matrix LED lights. You can see the amber turn signal switch back with the LED running light. You can see the fog light there as well, done in a bright white finish. Looks good, right? And then you can come over to the side here on the side view mirror where you will get your amber turn signal. And then in the back, we have our boomerang tails. And we also have the fog lamp in the back as well. You can see it right here. That's where your fog lamp on the rear is set up, boomerang tail, and your turn signal there. Looks really good, especially around this color. I mean, wow. Just love the look of the contrast. All right, so here's what everybody's been waiting for. Let's talk about the sticker options and the price breakdown. Now here we are, 2022 Levante Modena S with the Fuoriserie Blu Denim exterior and a Nero and Grigio interior. We start price at $117,500 to start. After all of those options, I told you almost $15,000, well, we're looking at a total price of $133,506. Now that also includes the $11.95 destination charge and the $300 preparation and delivery. But what's nice is you don't have to pay the big $1,800 gas guzzler tax as you do on a Trofeo model. So you luck out with this V8 not paying that extra tax. Now with that said, let's talk about the options. So that Fuoriserie paint in blue denim is actually $6,500. So it's a little cheaper than, the $16,000 paints we've been seeing on some of the other models we've reviewed. We can also talk about that comfort and convenience package at $1,290. That gives you the power adjustable front foot pedals, the soft closed doors, and the heated rear seats. Now you also get the power rear side sunshade, which is a $500 option, the 21-inch staggered Intejo black wheels, $1,800, the high gloss metal net trim, that's $1,500, and the full natural drill leather seats, $2,500. And then our accessory package we talked about, $421 with the Levante accessories like the luggage compartment net, the luggage compartment mat, the Levante sunshade, the first aid roadside kit, and the umbrella. So those are your options for this Modena S, and I think it's money well spent. Now let's talk about what we get standard on the car. Now I will go over this slowly, but again, I don't like to be too redundant and repeat all these each time. So I'll go over it very slowly so you guys can see all the options on the Modena S, just in case you guys wanted to option one out for yourself. You can see everything it comes with, so you need to know if, hey, I need to spend a little bit extra more money on this stuff, or I can just go with a standard Modena S. So with that said, there it is. Pause it, zoom in, do what you guys gotta do to make sure you get the right Maserati Modena S for you. All right, guys, so tell me what you think about the blue denim color from the Fuoriserie customization program in this Maserati Levante Modena S. This looks insane to me. The fact that we have this here with 580 horsepower, it's not a base model GT, it's a big boy with some custom paint. That just makes it even better for me. It's the icing on the cake. So with that said, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. When you give the video a like, it helps get it up in rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this Modena S V8 in blue denim from Fuoriserie. Now with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Rise merch in case you guys want, hoodies, you want long sleeve shirts, you want stickers, everything Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. That makes you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we'll talk to you guys in the next Rise video. Peace.